So hello and welcome to the channel, and today I want to show you how to replace battery on Ford Transit Connect. So what you want to take out the plastics. So here is the battery. So there is two ways you can do this. Either you take this whole panel out and then you have a little bit more room, but what I like to do is to take this air filter out. For me that's the most easy way. Unscrew all the screws, holder, I don't know if you're gonna see. So one, two, this one, and the negative over there. There is another plastic over here as a cover, so you just pull it up and toward yourself. I don't know if you're gonna see. So there is two clips holding it. Use a screwdriver or some sort of tool. So but first take out the air filter. That's the way I like to do it. This one over here, it's a 7. This one over here, so this one is a 7. You unscrew that and basically the air filter go out. I'm gonna unscrew that one and the plus one. So those two and that two screws that hold the tightener that holds the battery so it don't move. So let me unscrew that and then we continue. So unscrewing that one, it's loose. This one as well. Those two are almost done. So those are 10s. Not really. They're quite long, as you can see how much you have to unscrew it. So it's not really fast job. So this video might take a little bit, so stay tuned. So for this plastic, you pull that bad boy a little bit in, and then plastic goes up. So as you can see, I don't know if you're gonna see, so but you pull this holder in and the cover goes up, and then it's just pull to yourself. It should be quite easy, but there is not really a lot of space in there to take it out, but now you can see. So you take this holder, this one, as you can see over there. I will see if I need to move this or not, but yeah, let's say you need to take this a little bit out, and this air one as well. Just move it over there because the filter is hold only by that a little bit, and over here with this. So it's just pull up. So remove the hose, the air hose over here, and this one you just pull up like that. So as you can see, the air filter goes out just like that. Now maybe remove this one as well, just in case you don't want to break anything, because you have to put that all back together. So this one, there is two for this as well. This bad boy became one of my favorite tools for all these joints, so you might wanna get yourself this one. So air filter goes out like that, and now we have more space to get to the battery. I don't know if you're gonna see, yeah, like that. So what you wanna do, you want this front panel out. Might consider moving this Maybe it's not 100% necessary, but it will make your life a lot easier if you have this tool. So yeah, like that. And after that, I believe it's just pull up this plastic cover where is electricity and everything. So we did unscrew that bad boy, and should be just pull up. So as you can see over here, there is one little pin holding it there, so like that. So you pull it up and press over there. So same goes on this side. Pull it up, press over there, and this one. Now you have all the space you need to pull the battery toward yourself. You need to get it a little bit up. It's gonna be hard with one hand, so pull it up, pull toward yourself, and all you need to do is unscrew that one, but there is enough space when you pull the battery toward. So pull the battery full as much as you can, and then you need that number 10 to unplug that negative part of the battery. So unscrew it. It's a tight, really not so much space, but I found this most easy way, less stuff you need to remove. So the less stuff you remove, it's better, because less chance that you can break something. So, and that's how you take the battery on a connect. So as you can see, there is space, but you need to take out a lot of things. So I'm gonna put this one back. So the same way you took it out, you take it back, you put that negative first, screw it in, put it right as it was, screw it tightly, I hope this will help you in any way. So don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, share. It will help me grow the channel. So you put that back, you put that plastic, positive, plus, screw it together. Don't forget to put the plastic covers on it. As I'm gonna disassemble these cars, I won't put everything back, but you should take these as you took them out. So just put it back, air filter the same way you took it out, like that. It's a tight space, but still it does fit as you did took it out, so you can put it back. I hope this will help you, because these cars are quite older now, so batteries are something that you have to replace if you didn't already replaced. So everything the same way you took it out, you put it back. So that's about that. This one is a little bit harder to put back, but still it is not that hard. So yeah, anyways, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, share, and see you next one.